Hi guys, welcome back. This is the second video that I'm making, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make lip grip cull tags for your live well. For those of you that don't know, a lip grip cull tag is a method that bass anglers use or anglers use to monitor which fish you want to take out of your live well next and which fish you want to keep in. So I'll put a little picture up here to show you what they look like currently. I've noticed that around South Africa and Joburg you can't find these things, and if you can, they're over 1,000 Rand for 8 tags. So I thought, why not try and make them myself? Stick around and let's show you what it looks like. The technique, I'm going to show you a start to finish on how it works. You get 1 times rubber ducky. You get 1 times nice rubberized clothing peg. Really strong tension, good spring. You get yourself 1 times lug. You'll need a pair of side cutter pliers, some long nose pliers, some scissors, small screwdriver, and then sort of 1/2 mil steel wire clothing line. The reason I've gone with it is it's got a bit of cabling in, steel cabling in, keeps it nice and strong, but also it's got this really nice floating sort of tube. So what we want to do now is we want to just measure out our cable, take about there, always add a little bit of extra distance on so that you have margin to play with, because you can always trim. So we're going to take our little lug here and we want to cut off this remaining section of the lug. Okay, there we go. So you're left with just that small part there. All right, and we're going to take our long nose pliers, use them to hold this piece together. There we go. What we're trying to do here is we're trying to open up this lug because the cables don't fit inside of there, right? Stick up our small screwdriver into the lug, slowly turning the wrist so that lug's opening as we go. So now that we have that open, what we're going to do is we're going to feed our cable. Doesn't matter which end. I'm going to feed our cable through there. Clean it up. All right. Then you're going to attach it like this. Get your lug in there and in that side. Once you've got that, you're just going to squeeze your pliers together. You can't really see through the screen, but they are coming together like absolute gold. Wow. Wow, that is exactly how I wanted it to work. Yeah, man. That's awesome. Wow. That is amazing. Great. Great. That it just bends around there perfectly. Locking that in. And that, my friends, is not going anywhere. Alright. Next step is to take the squeaky out of this toy here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our long nose pliers. We're going to get all ready with the pliers and pull it out. What we're going to do then is we're going to just tie a knot in the top of this cabling here and cut that cabling out, make it nice and neat, and then insert that into the squeaker hole of our ducky. you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Cull tag. So your fish's mouth goes here, you place your tag within, and there you go. Boom. Bob's your uncle. Awesome. Alright, so after testing these on the water with the fish, it was obvious that this clamp wasn't strong enough and was pulling out of the fish's mouth. So I went and sourced these beautiful clamps, which are super strong. So now is the process of removing this mount, taking the clips off, and then getting these clamps on. Okay, number 3, get to use my cull tag. Okay. Number 3.